Deal. I want you, normally we would do a hypothesis here where you would guess what you think will happen. But since we've already done this once, you already know what's going to happen. And you already know what's going to happen. So Jackson, why don't you tell me about some famous volcanoes?
So, famous volcanoes are all over the world. Mount Unzen,
Where's that?
Japan.
Okay.
Mount St. Helens, and as you all know, it's in Washington State.
Okay.
We've seen it.
We've seen it. When did we see it?
We've seen it driving.
Where were we? Wait, let Kelly say. Where were we when we saw it?
Driving through in Oregon Park. In Oregon Park.
We were driving through Portland.
We were driving through Portland when we saw Mount St. Helens
That's
disaster.
Yep, and then
Vesuvius.
Vesuvius.
Pompeii, which is now Italy.
Yep. When did that happen?
79 AD or 80 79, I can't
When
remember.
when did Mount Unzen happen?
I
What about Mount St. Helens?
Let me check.
No, buddy, just do the video. Don't worry.
Mount St. Helens erupted in 1980.
1980?
Yep.
Okay. And how many people died?
A bunch.
Okay.
More than 40.
Okay. All right, you guys ready?
Yep. Yeah. Oh, wait.
He's going to look it up now.
And,
He is reading, what is it called? Natural disaster. I survived a natural disaster.
Oh. Unzen happened in 1792.
1792. Mount
1972.
Mount Pelly? When did that happen, Talia?
Mount Pelé. I don't know. You read it. There's also this
No,
one.
you tell me when it happened. What year did it happen, Talia?
This one. I'm not a science teacher.
Yeah, but you do need to do science for school. So you need tell me when it happened. Look at the book and tell me when it happened.
1902.
Okay, Jackson, giving her the answer. Okay, come do the volcano.
And Krakatoa.
We have a little tiny volcano that we're gonna do.
And also Krakatoa.
When did Krakatoa happen?
1883.
Okay, come on.
In Nevada down.
Oh no! Come do the
Also
volcano.
Nevada down roots, which happened. No, I want to do the vinegar this time.
Okay, let Tally do the vinegar. We've already done this once, so
Pretend more.
I don't even know where this volcano came from, but it's the coolest thing ever. It doesn't make a mess. Hurry! Gotta hurry! Oh no! Okay. There's what is that? What part of the volcano is that?
Pyroclastic. It's either lava flow or pyroclastic surge.
Okay, do it again.
Fast. Oh! Okay, I definitely consider that a pyroclastic surge.
Okay.
No, it's getting hot. Fire fast.
Oh gosh.
I spilled the vinegar.
Oh yeah, this is okay, that's fine. And we're done.
Yes.
All right, good job, guys. That's our unit on volcanoes for the day.
Everyone's here.
We're going to talk about it for the rest of our lives.